may duty free nga. Welcome to Peace Garden. Tapos pagbalik natin, dyan tayo. No?
Yeah.
International Peace Garden. Merong conservatory dyan eh. Nice. Makain pa ako.
Tumatahay ka?
Kumakain.
Ihanda mo na yung ano mo.
Ayan ang entrance fees. $10 per person. Military person, $8. Annual membership. Oh, kung may membership ka daddy, $50. You can come anytime. Shuttle van bus, $75. Maximum 20 people. Pag tour coach bus, $200. Bayan. Kala ko walang entrance. Kala ko parking lang. International Peace Garden. Baka walang entrance fee today. Ayan ang entrance ng Peace Garden. Magbabayad tayo ng ay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're with them too?
Yes.
How many people are in your vehicle?
Only 2.
Just the 2? Oh, $20 then. Well, I'll give you that.
Okay.
Do you need me to explain anything, or are you just going to follow them?
We're just gonna follow
the
Yeah,
leader,
we'll just
eh?
follow
Yeah.
them.
The leader better know what he's doing. I did
That's
explain to him.
Yeah.
Just to let you know, remind you that the gift shop, cafe, and conservatory are open till 5.
Oh,
There's
okay.
over 5,000 different cacti and succulents planted there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and
Is
everything's-
there entrance in there too? No.
Nope.
No.
Once you pay your entrance here, you're able to go to everything else for free.
Oh, okay.
You
Okay.
guys have a great day.
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks.
You too. Let's go. Ganda naman, oh. Tingnan mo.
Mukhang mamahalin yan mo.
$20. Ayan. Soup.
Hindi siya malasado.
Ganda naman. Oo. Wala na. Wala na yung tower.
Dito kayo na ating. Dito ako kaya. Mami, wala ko down.
Yeah, we will go down. Yan. Welcome to Peace Garden. Dito sa border ng North Dakota, USA. Dati may ano doon. May tower. Peace Tower.
ito? Parang na-frozen.
Hindi.
Ah, ganito talaga siya, tita.
Oo.
It's so fun.
Ganito kulay ng ano, tita?
Ha?
Ganito kulay ng repolyo sa bengket pag na-frozen.
Sa pros? Oo.
Daddy, Dad. Be careful, anak, ha? At pa, hindi na lang ni Ansel. Anak, watch out! Oh, nahulog ang bata, anak!
Ang ganda ng kulay, oh.
Come here, Eric.
Ng tree.
Here. Doon ka sa kabila. 1, 2, 3.
Para nasa ibang lugar aka, ah.
Ganun ka lang.
Nasa abroad ka, ah.
Daddy, picture tayo naman ganda ng kulay. Share mo kami. Tara, Daddy.
Ayun, guys. Papasok na tayo sa gate ng Peace Garden. Pero tignan muna natin ito. Bulaklak. Ang ganda, oh. Roses. Ayan, papasok tayo sa gate. Ayan. Masok na tayo sa gate. Bubuksan natin tapos sasarapin. Kailangan, this gate is our formal garden are only in place to protect our plants from ravages. Okay, sa mga deer. Kailangan bukas. And then sarado. Sarado natin. Buksan nyo na lang. And then Daddy, where are you going? Uy, pwede nang kumuha ng buto.
Buto ba to? Itong bago to?
Oo, may buto yan. Yun ang itatanim ulit. Oh, ito ang ano, pang fall. Pang fall talaga yan na ano.
Daming klase ng bulaklak.
Bulaklak. Ganda, oh. Eh hanggang doon sa dulo tapos sa kababalik doon sa kabila. Ganda rin, oh. Peace Chapel dito sa Peace Garden. Let's go. Puntahan natin ang loob. Come on in. Pasok dito sa chapel. Oh, kailangan magano. Sulat ng pangalan. Parang hindi ganito noon. Daddy, ganito na ba dati noon? Parang iba. Parang nag-iba. Parang nag-iba. Parang nag-iba dito.
Dati pa ganun yun.
At saka may mga monumento dati. Room of quiet, temple of peace, home of faith, where doubt cease, doubting cease, house of comfort, where hope is given, source of strength to make earth heaven, shrine of worship, place to pray. I found all these my church today. Anonymous. He who never hoped can never despair. George Bernard Shaw. Ayan. Marami siyang mga nag-belt siya. Baka pwedeng i-turn on.
Naka-on na nga eh.
Naka-on na? Oh. Sulat mo pangalan mo dyan. Dito dati yung tower. Ayan, nawala na. Canada. Treaty of 1908. United States. US. Renewed 1993. Lumiit.